In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore NinjaTrader charts from Workspace. Now, to do this and to restore missing or blank charts in NinjaTrader desktop, you want to use the built-in recovery tool. So you want to open up the NinjaTrader Control Center, which is this ribbon up top, and you want to go and click on Tools, and then Database Management. So inside here, you want to go down to where you can see it says Restore Workspace. So you want to click on Restore Workspace, and you want to hit this restore button, which of course it says you can use this to restore a previous version of a workspace. So I'm going to click on that. And then from here, you want to find your workspace. So as you can see inside the recovery over here, I do have like one over here called tutorial. So what you want to do is basically just open the folder for your specific workspace. And then you can basically go and sort by date modified or just see when it was last modified. For me, for example, I have this one over here, which is from a bit ago. So that's the one I want. And then of course, you can then go and click on the one that you want and click on open. So what's going to happen when you actually click on this, it's going to load it in here. You have to wait for a second to actually load, and there we go. As you can see, it's actually recovered. It did recover exactly what I wanted, and if I now close this, this is now my recovered workspace with all the basically recovered charts and restored charts in here as well. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.